Hello, I am Big Red 1995. Ouch. Jesus Christ.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my.
Why, hello there. This is Big Red 1995 reporting from Sword Fight in the Heights 4 with a special PSA. Please note that this message is from the Roblox administrator, Telamon, regarding a message that relates to July the 4th. So, here it is. Telamon wants you to buy Builders Club. And if you don't buy Builders Club right now this very minute, I'm afraid that Telamon is going to have to come and own you noobs.
What the fuck?
Ouch. You just got owned by Ruffle Knife, noob.
Get up.
No! No! Beer bring pain!
Thank you for listening. And I hope that you continue to stay tuned to K-Red TV for more episodes or shorties. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go work on episode 2. Bye bye.